The families of Ethan Chapin and Maddie Mogan are trying to prevent any more photos or videos of where their children were killed from being released.
They've already been through enough.
Later this week, a judge will decide if a family's right to privacy outweighs the public's right to access investigative materials.
Alexandra Cohen-Yard spoke with the attorney representing both the Mogan and Chapin families and joins us now in studio with what started all this. Alexandra?
Derek and Kirsten, for years, graphic photos and videos from the crime scene law enforcement walked into after these 4 students were murdered were sealed under a gag order, meaning they were hidden from the public eye. But Koberger's life sentence shattered that silence, exposing the images some victims' families never wanted to see. Earlier this month, agencies released some images showing the crime scene inside of this off-campus home. They did not show bodies, but did show bloody beds and walls. Images families of victims hoped would never be made public.
Even the thought of them going out is devastating to the family members.
Leander James is a pro bono lawyer representing both Madison Mogan and Ethan Chapin's families. He says these images were released just as the families were starting to get closure following the life sentencing of Brian Koberger.
And they could actually breathe a little and try to move on. And then they're hit with this. These ugly photographs, the prospect that they're being put out there, and some were put out there, without even us being given notice.
James filed a lawsuit for Madison Mogan's mom, requesting the court keep any further images of the crime scene sealed. Today, Chapin's family joined in on this petition. In response, an Idaho state judge enacted a temporary restraining order of certain footage. James says he understands the importance of sharing this investigative material with the public, but argues these murders are an exception.
It does immense damage to the family members, and it's really unnecessary.
James requests that media outlets and the public stop sharing the images that have already been released. At KXLY, we chose not to show any of those crime scene images because we believed sharing them would do more harm than good. Though the judge's order blocked the city of Moscow from releasing photos specifically of Mogan's room, the city says it will withhold all further images and videos until the court completes its review this Thursday in Lada County. In studio tonight, Alexandra Cohen-Yard, 4 News Now.